Welcome! Today, you'll learn how to change a link name on your group in Telegram Web using your PC, following the latest update. If you're an admin and want your group's invite links to look more organized or simply easier to remember, this guide is for you. First, open Telegram Web in your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the group where you have admin rights. You'll see your list of chats on the left. Just click on your group to open it. At the top right corner of the group chat, you'll notice 3 dots. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options, select Edit. This will take you to the group settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your group. Now, look for the section labeled Invite Links. Click on it to view all the invite links that have been generated for your group. Here, you'll see a list of links, each possibly with its own name. Next to the link you want to rename, you'll find another set of 3 dots. Click on these dots and you'll see the Edit option. Select Edit to open the link editing window. In this window, you'll be able to change the link name. Type in your new link name, something clear, memorable, or relevant to your group's purpose. Once you're satisfied with the new name, click Save to confirm your changes. After saving, you'll be taken back to the invite links list. To finish up, click Done to exit the editing mode and return to your group chat. And that's it. You've successfully changed the link name for your Telegram group invite on Telegram Web using your PC. This small change can make a big difference in how you share and manage your group's invite links, keeping everything neat and user-friendly. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with other Telegram admins who might need a quick refresher. Thanks for watching, and enjoy managing your Telegram groups with ease.